How to BUI$DEP, DeepBook Token Crypto Coin. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only. I am not a professional financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Please do your own research and consult a financial expert before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrency investments come with risks, and it's important to understand those risks before proceeding. In today's guide, I will walk you through how to buy the DeepBook token, DEEP. If you're looking to learn how to purchase this token, I'll cover the general steps for buying it. Please remember that this video is strictly for educational purposes, and you should make your own informed decisions before engaging in any investments. Step 1. Stay updated on the token's development. Before purchasing any token, it's important to stay updated with the latest news and developments from the project. Follow the project's official accounts, like Telegram or Twitter, to stay informed about new announcements, potential updates, or changes to the token. This helps you understand the project's roadmap and makes you aware of any important events. Step 2. Check token performance on a crypto screener. To confirm that the DeepBook token, DEEP, is available and to track its current performance, visit a cryptocurrency screener. As of now, DEEP is trending at number 2 under the S blockchain. Make sure to check its liquidity, performance in the market, and any fluctuations in its price. Step 3. Add the token to your wallet. Once you've checked the token and are ready to proceed, you'll need to add it to your wallet. Here's how. Copy the token address. You can get the token address from a reliable source, such as a cryptocurrency screener or the official website of the project. Open your wallet. In this example, I'll use MetaMask or another wallet that supports the blockchain network. Add the token. Go to your wallet and select the option to Add Token. Paste the token address, and this will add the DEEP token to your wallet's assets list. Step 4. Swap your cryptocurrency for DeepBook token. Once you've added the token to your wallet, you can proceed to purchase it. Here's how to do it. Select the token to swap from. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to use to buy the DEEP token, e.g., Solana or another supported cryptocurrency. Enter the amount, type in how much you want to buy, and make sure you have enough funds to cover the transaction. Review the amount you'll receive. Check how much DEEP you'll receive in return, ensuring that everything looks correct. Click on Swap. Once you've reviewed the details, click on Swap to confirm the transaction. Step 5. Complete the transaction. After clicking Swap, your wallet will process the transaction, and you'll receive the DEEP token in your wallet. Make sure to check for any potential errors during the transaction, such as gas fees or slippage issues. If necessary, adjust the slippage settings to complete the swap successfully. Conclusion: that's how you can buy the DeepBook token, DEEP. Remember, it's always essential to stay updated on the latest news from the project, as well as research thoroughly before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrencies can be volatile, so it's important to approach any investment with caution. Final reminder: this content is for educational purposes only and does not serve as financial advice.